Okay, here's a look at the eMini S&P for Monday, February the 1st, 2010 through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader. Of course, this video is just a shortened version, usually lasts about 5 minutes compared to the 15 to 20 minute video that we put on our members website with several more charts, a lot more detail. But we can still take a look at what we generally think is going on in the market. Okay, this is the market profile from Friday, and this is the one from today. What we have in the middle here is what occurred overnight. So this low that was made late on Friday, we were expecting some follow-through from that. But as you can see, no follow-through overnight. Overnight low is right here. But instead the market started to creep up, and we knew that if it could get up above around the 78 area, it was possible that it could have a bit more of a boost as high as 90, and so the market it did eventually get up to 86, but in a pretty weak fashion. So we still think that the market is in a down auction. We think there's resistance around 93 and around 99. Should it hold above either one of those, especially if it were to hold up above here, that would be a definite turn in condition, and would consider that to be quite a bullish development. Other than that, it could get up to here and find some good resistance around the 93, and possibly even as soon as the 89 area. And of course, so these are all resistance areas, and until they're taken out, I think we're still in a down auction, with the possibility of getting down into about the 1050s. Should the market really attract some pretty strong selling, which is obviously a possibility at this stage of the game. So that's really what we're looking at right now. As far as our individual daily profiles, this is the profiles for the day session only, and you can see we've got quite a cluster of them here over the past few days. So oftentimes this kind of activity, this consolidation kind of activity, will lead to a nice little breakout, and it's got to get above the 93 and then above 1100 really to show that it's, it really wants to go. It did it for a short time overnight when President Obama was speaking at the State of the Union, but by the time the regular trading hours started the next day, it was well below it. So if that area if the market can get up there, that would be bullish. Otherwise, I think we're still in this down auction. As far as our trades were concerned today, you can see that today was just a very quiet day. I think the market had a range of about 10 points, 10.5 to be exact. So we only had a couple of trades today. We had a long in here. It hit our first and second objective, so that was nice. And we had another long trade in here. We ended up by exiting in 10 minutes with a loss of 1 tick, and that was all we had today. But you can see that our directional bias intraday was certainly mostly green throughout the day, and as you can see, the market did have obviously this upward slope to it the entire day. So that's really that's about it. Possible support around the 80 area. And then first resistance looks to be around 93, 89, and then 93. So that's really what we're looking at for tomorrow. So any questions or comments, please give us a holler. You can find our telephone number on the website, or just send us an email at info@eMiniDayTrader, and we'd love to hear from you. So look forward to to receiving your questions or comments. So thanks for taking the time to view this video, and that'll be it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.